Welcome back to 1 Minute Excel. Today we're going to look at an index match formula. It's a little bit like a VLOOKUP. In a lot of ways it's easier and better to use once you get used to it. It has two main parts, two formulas. The first is the index, which has the array, which is where is everything located. The row number, which we're actually going to then jump into the match to figure out, and the column number, which tells you how many columns over you want to go once you find the data you're looking for. In terms of the match formula, there's the lookup value, which is just going to be the one item we're looking for. The lookup array, where is that one item found? And the match type, I recommend choosing false, which is 0, and that'll give you an exact match. So if we were to kick it off, the first thing we'll do is we'll say equals index, select the entire data range set. And the beauty of this is you can go both directions, whereas a VLOOKUP, you can only go to the right. Go ahead and lock that by hitting F4 once. Now type in match, hit open parentheses again. Now the lookup value here is going to be the score, 76. Hit F4 3 times, that'll lock the column so that it doesn't move over when we move the formula. Comma, the lookup array. In this case it's going to be where are all the scores? Well, they're over here. So select the range, hit F4 to lock it. Match type is going to be 0. Now you can close this formula, close parentheses, hit comma, and this is going to be the last bit of your index match. How many columns over? In this case, from the score to the student, we're going to go 1 because it starts here at the beginning. So hit 1 and hit close parentheses, enter. You can see it says Chuck. Now let's copy this formula over to the right, and in this case we're actually going to say 3 because it starts at the beginning of the array and goes over 3. You can see Chuck had a C. We'll go ahead and copy these down, and you can see based on the scores, Marty had a C, Shonda had a B, and Ricardo had a B. And that is an index match formula.